ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherima. Thanks for joining me from wherever you're watching me, and thank you so much for taking your time to like the videos, to comment, and even to subscribe to this channel. It's been a while. I was away. I haven't been uploading the videos as frequent as it is supposed to be. I apologize for being not always online, but I'm going to try my best and upload some videos. All the same, yes, I hope you are enjoying. I hope you are learning, and I hope you are also we are going together in this journey of learning Kikuyu. Remember, this is the channel where you learn Kikuyu. This is where I teach you how to speak, and most probably how to talk Kikuyu basics. So now I have something else prepared for you tonight or today, and we're going to concentrate on words that are used in the health department. I realize I haven't mentioned most of the things from the health department, and it's time, guys, that we learn some words in Kikuyu that are mostly used in the health department. Now, let's start right away. And the first thing we're going to learn, or we're going to learn today, is the word diseases. How do we call diseases? How do we call diseases in Kikuyu? Diseases are called merimo. Merimo. Diseases are called merimo. Remember, merimo are diseases. That's the plural form of diseases. How do I call a disease? A disease is called morimo. 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 Merimo. Morimo. Merimo. Now, the next word we're going to learn is, how do I say I am sick? How do I say I'm sick? De moroaru. De moroaru. De moroaru. I am de moroaru, sick. I am sick. De moroaru. Now, sick is moroaru. A sick person is called moroaru. To be sick, de moroaru. You can say even, I have a disease. I have a disease. Dena morimo. Dena morimo. Or you can say, I have diseases, or I have many diseases. Dena merimo. Dena merimo. Now, the second word we're going to learn is the word hospital. How do I call a hospital? A hospital is called thifitari. 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 You can say, take that sick person to hospital. Take that sick person to hospital. Twara morwaru ucio thibitari. Twara, take, morwaru ucio, that patient, to the hospital. Thibitari. Twara morwaru ucio thibitari. Twara morwaru ucio thibitari. Or you can even say, take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital. Dwara thifitari. Take me. Dwara. Take me is dwara. Thifitari. We said thifitari is hospital. Dwara thifitari. Take me to the hospital. Or you can even say, excuse me, you can even say, I I want to go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. Nĩndĩrenda gũthiĩ thibitarĩ. Nĩndĩrenda gũthiĩ thibitarĩ. Or you can say, I am sick. I want to go to the hospital. Ndĩ mũrwaru, ndĩrenda gũthiĩ thibitarĩ. Ndĩ mũrwaru, I am sick. I want to go to the hospital. Ndĩrenda gũthiĩ thibitarĩ. Ndĩrenda is I want to go. Gũthiĩ is to go to the hospital. Thibitarĩ. Or sometimes you might go visit someone in the hospital and you want to say, I'm going to see someone in the hospital. Ndĩrathiĩ kuona mũrwaru thibitarĩ. Ndĩrathiĩ kuona mũrwaru thibitarĩ. Ndĩrathiĩ, I'm going. Kuona, to see or to visit. A sick person, mũrwaru, in the hospital. Thibitarĩ. Ndĩrathiĩ kuona mũrwaru thibitarĩ. Ndĩrathiĩ kuona mũrwaru thibitarĩ. We said mũrwaru is a sick person. Kuona is to visit or to go and see a sick person in the hospital. Now, we are going to go ahead, and the other thing we are going to learn is how do I call a doctor? How do I call a doctor in Kikuyu? A doctor is called dagitari. 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 You can say, that is my doctor. That is my doctor. Ocio niwe dagitari wakwa. Ocio, that is, niwe, he is, dagitari wakwa, my doctor. That is my doctor. You can ask somebody, who is your doctor? Who is your doctor? Dagitari waku nĩ ũrĩkũ? Dagitari waku nĩ ũrĩkũ? Who is your doctor? Now, someone can answer and say, my doctor is Mr. Kimani. My doctor is, my doctor is Dr. Kimani. Dagitari wakwa ni Dagitari Kimani. Dagitari Kimani. Doctor so and so. We say Dagitari and then you put the name. You can say Dagitari Kimani, Dagitari Joroge, Dagitari Mwagi, and so on and so forth. Now, the next word we are going to learn is a nurse. How do we call a nurse in Kikuyu? How do we call a nurse in Kikuyu? A nurse is called Morigitani. 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 Now, you might want to describe your nurse. You can say, that nurse is really nice. Morigitani ocio ni mwega muno. Morigitani ocio ni mwega muno. That nurse. Morigitani ocio. Ocio is that. Nurse. Morigitani ni mwega muno. Mwega meaning she or he is nice. That's how we call a nurse. Now, there are also some few words that also are associated in this hospital setting or the health setting. And some of these words we are also going to learn, and that include the word medicine. How do I call medicine in Kikuyu? a medicine or medicine is called dawa. Dawa. Dawa is medicine. Now, you might want to ask someone, what kind of medicine are you using? What kind of medicine are you using? Urahũthĩra dawa ĩrĩkũ? Urahũthĩra dawa ĩrĩkũ? Ĩrĩkũ is what kind? Urahũthĩra, what are you using? Using is urahũthĩra. And that's coming up with the sentence, urahũthĩra dawa ĩrĩkũ? Urahũthĩra dawa ĩrĩkũ? I might say, I'm using paracetamol. Ndirahũthĩra paracetamol. Ndirahũthĩra paracetamol. Apparently, we don't have words like to describe medicine in Kikuyu because we don't have medicine that are produced in Kikuyu. All medicine is standard for the whole world, and that's why we use their names, the way their brand names and how they are produced, their chemical names and all that. So we just say paracetamol, ibuprofen, or I don't know, whatever you can have. You just call your word dawa ya paracetamol, dawa ya ibuprofen, and so on and so forth. Now, we have learned some few words, and the other thing I wanted to let you know is okay, hold on. Now, for example, you want to ask someone, how long are you going to stay in the hospital? How long are you going to stay in the hospital? Ũgũikara thibitarĩ thikũ cigana? Ũgũikara thibitarĩ thikũ cigana? Actually, thikũ is specifying how many days. Now, for example, if you want to generalize and just say how long, you can say kahinda kaigana. Ũgũikara thibitarĩ kahinda kaigana. Now, the other thing that comes along in the hospital setting is the word getting a shot. How do I say I'm getting a shot? Or how do we call a shot or a syringe? Now, a syringe or a shot is called shindano. Shindano. Now, for example, you had pains and the doctor ordered that you get some pain relieving shots. So you want to tell someone, I got a shot just to relieve my pains. So you can say, nĩthecirwo cindano ya ruo. Nĩthecirwo cindano ya ruo. Shindano is the shot or the syringe. Gũthecwa is shooting. It's like the act of giving someone that specific shot. Nĩthecirwo cindano ya ruo. And this brings me to one word that is also used very commonly used in this health setting and all this hospital setting, and that is pain, of which I think I have mentioned pain before in my videos. So pain is called ruo. You can say, I have pain in my hands. Ndĩna ruo moko-inĩ. Ndĩna ruo moko-inĩ. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end this video right here, and I'm going to continue in the next video. So stick where you are, don't go, and let's see us in the next episode, because it's going to be quite long and I don't want to, this to happen. So see you next.